Hi, Maria here for Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to be telling you all about the 4-piece sample sponge set from Beauty Junkees. Now, sponges are an amazing beauty tool, one of my favorites, and this sample set includes 4 different sponges, each with their own unique uses. Now, what's great about sponges is they are very versatile, so you can use any of these sponges any way you prefer, but I'm going to talk a little bit about each sponge in this set and the best way to use them. Now, these sponges can be used as is, dry, but the best way to use a sponge is by getting it damp. To do that, you're going to go ahead and run it under some water for a little bit, gently squeezing the sponge a couple times just to let the water fully soak up. Then once it's fully wet, give it one last squeeze to wring out any remaining water, and then your sponge is good to go. You'll notice it'll get a little bit bigger, it'll be a lot more bouncier, and it'll be a lot easier to use. Up first, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the blue sponge. The blue sponge has a fun, unique shape. It's got a little indentation here that makes it really easy to hold, and it has this flat edge that makes it perfect for applying moisturizers and primers all over your face. So once you have your sponge damp and ready, you're going to go ahead and apply a little bit of product right to the flat surface here, and then you can go ahead and pat and dab the product right on your face. This really gives a very spa-like experience. It really feels great on the skin. As well, it helps keep things sanitary so you're not using your hands. Up next is the pink Teardrop Sponge. Now, this sponge is really great to use with foundation because of its shape. It can be used in a variety of different ways. Using the bottom of it, which is the widest spot, you can use it to cover a wide area like your cheeks, forehead, and for a more precise or smaller detail area, you can turn around and use the tip, get around the nose, around the eyes, right here in the center between the eyebrows, which can be sometimes a difficult spot to reach, but you can use the side of it as well, however you see fit, but this one is great for foundations. Up next is a purple Pear Sponge. Again, this one has a fun shape, and this little waist it kind of has makes it easy for you to grab and hold, and this sponge is really great for cream contour. Again, because of its fun shape, it is very versatile in the way you decide to use it. You can use the bottom portion for a larger area to kind of blend and diffuse out your cream contour. You can use the side of it to roll up the product. You can use the tip of it to get a little bit more precise or small areas like the forehead, along the temple, and things like that. And lastly is the green oval sponge. This is a really great sponge for applying concealer. Because of its shape, it's got this really nice point that makes it perfect for applying concealer under the eyes. You really can get into the inner corner, the outer corner. You can get into every little crevice along the sides of your nose. It also would work really well getting into the T-zone. This is just a beautiful sponge, perfect for concealer. You can also use it with powders. I really like to use this with powders along my eye as well, setting under the eyes. It's a really great versatile sponge. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about the 4-piece sample sponge set from Beauty Junkees. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.